students, this lesson is first lesson for PureMath 2.3. Before we start, I would like to say something about PureMath 2.3. If you had difficulties in PureMath 1, maybe it would be a little hard for you PureMath 2.3. How we can solve this problem? I'm going to revise necessary information before we start any topics. If it's not enough for you, maybe you need to come back and study PureMath 1. Dear students, your brain age is right now more mature. For this reason, if you study PureMath 1, I think you'll learn quickly, okay? Trust me, what I am saying depends on over 20 years experience as a math teacher. If you are good at PureMath 1, I think you love PureMath 2.3. PureMath 2.3 is real math. Actually, I love 2. I hope you'll love 2. Okay? Our first chapter is Modulus. Maybe you haven't learned clearly before Modulus. However, in this lesson, we will study Modulus in all its dimension. Okay? Let's start. First, you need to understand the definition of modulus. Here, I wrote two different definitions here. The modulus of a number is the magnitude of the number without sign attached. Actually, same thing I'm saying. I'm using this expression more. The modulus of number is a distance of a number to the origin. Then, which kind of number we are using to represent distance? Positive number, right? We need to consider every time this. Have a look. For example, if I say 3, what does it mean then? What is the distance to 3 to the origin, right? They are asking this. If it's 0, here 3. What is the distance to the origin to 3? Which is 3, right? What about the modulus negative 3's? What is the distance negative 3 to the origin? Again 3, right? What is the modulus 0? What is the distance 0 to 0? 0, right? According to those information, I'm going to define modulus function. We are going to represent x like this. Look at this. Be careful, dear students. If you understand, this is heart of our chapter. I mean modulus. If you understand this, really easy, you like it. Here 3 goes out 3, 0 goes out 0. Same, right? If I say it like this, if x is greater than or equal 0, we can represent as an x. Okay? Here, if negative 3 becomes positive 3, how could be negative 3, right? Here. So, if x is less than 0, modulus is negative x. Dear students, modulus never can't be equal negative number. When I said this, when I wrote this, some of our students mix up. They are saying, teacher, you said a modulus can't be equal negative number. You wrote here negative x. Dear students, negative x is not negative number. Why is that? Because if x is 0, if x is less than 0, negative x is positive number. So, everything is so obvious, everything is so clear. I hope you understood. Okay? Have a look. Next part. Property of the modulus. What I said before, the modulus can't be equals negative number. Let's look at many examples here. Negative 2 is, again, 2. 100, 100. Modulus, negative 132, 132. 0, 0. As a result, can we say modulus x every time has to be greater than 0 or equal 0? Then, can we say the smallest value of the modulus of a number is 0? Smallest one is 0. Got it? Here, for example, I remember that. If I write something like that, what is the solution of modulus blah blah less than -3? There isn't any solution, dear students. Modulus can't be negative number, so can't be less than -3. So solution is empty set. Got it? I hope. Here, there is a small mistake I didn't change. This one has to be like this. Could you be careful here? Okay, here. It's too much to do, blah blah. Okay, I'm a little lazy today. Anyway, here, what we wrote first page here. Look at this. Modulus 3 is equals 3. Modulus -3 is equals 3 again. Can I write like this? I'm correct page? Yeah. I'm correct page. 3 is -3. Similar, -4, modulus 4. -x, x, be careful. One more, -x plus 1. If I multiply inside by negative means changing sign. What I wrote this. Sometimes to make your brain mix up, we are going to write this. However, if you know this property, you can convert and we can solve the question easily. For this reason, it's important, I think. Any other properties here, you can see all them on any book. You can distribute modulus on to multiplication and division like this. However, here this is, for example, x plus 5 less than or blah blah. Let's look at the simple example. Check whether it's right. Here, look at this. Less than or equal here. Huh? What do you feel? Here, -4, right? Modulus -4, which is 4. Here, 7 plus 3. That one, right? 4 is not equal to 10. However, less than 10. Or one more example. For example, 7 plus 3. Look at this. 7 plus 3. Another example here. Don't mix up. Here is 10, modulus 10. Here, 7 plus 3. 10 less than 10. It's not correct last part, but it's correct equal part. So this property every time is right. Got it? Okay. An equation with including modulus, I divided into 2 different types. Please be careful. Maybe I'm using a little different comment from some books. I divided 3 different types. There are modulus which has first type. There are modulus which has x term in it, I mean in the equation, and then constant number outside the modulus in an equation. For example, first type, this, look at this. Here, which number distance to origin is 3? How many options we have? 2 options we have, right? What could be 3 or -3? That's it. Got it? It's not hard. Have a look at other question. Forget about inside. Which number distance to origin, 5 or 5? What could be? We have 2 options again. What could be there, students? 2x -7 could be 5, or if you write inside 5 equals 5, or -5, right? Then here it's easy, it becomes easy. Here, if I move 7 the other side, it's 12. If we divide both sides by 2, x is 6. Agree? Another here, 2x is -2. If I move, x is -1. Got it? I will be a little quick when I solve equations part. You became 12th grade, okay? Here, what I recommend, after I solve 1 and 2 question, please pause me and solve question and check your solution with my solution. Okay, here, another, look at this. What I say here, I think here, look at this. I will use this. Did you see? Instead of this, I'm going to use, what's going on here, 3x. Yeah? 7 negative 3x is 3x negative 7. You can write this. Got it? I hope. Terrible. Anyway, it's understandable. Yeah. Here, and 11. So, forget about the inside. Which number distance to the 11? 0 is 11. Here could be 11. Or, there are two options. Use my brain, dear students. Like this. When you draw arrow, your brain after for a while will do without doing this. Okay? If I move 7 other side, 3x is 18, right? If I divide both sides by 3x is 6. Then here is 3x is negative 4. If I divide both sides by 3x is negative 4 over 3. Got it? I hope. Have a look. Again, forget about the inside. 3x negative 2 over 2 is 5. Or, let's do here, 3x negative 2 over 2 is negative 5. If I found the cross product here, what will be? 3x negative 2 is 10. 3x is 12. If we divide both sides by 3, x is 4. Got it? Here. Then 3x negative 2 is negative 10. If I move negative to the right hand side, 3x equals negative 8. If we divide both sides by 3, x is negative 8 over 3. Easy, right? It's easy. Okay. One more question here. Okay. Let's organize inside first. How do you feel? I'm going to multiply this one 3, this one 5. I'm going to make denominator equals. Do you agree with me? Here, 15. We need to be careful. That's like this. What's going on? Don't do this. Because it's first. Here. Better. Here. 2 times 3, 6x. Look at this. This is important here. This negative belongs whole numerator. For this reason, I'm going to write it in this form. Because many students is doing this mistake. Okay? Here, 2. And then 6x negative 5x negative 10 over 15 is 2. One more step here. What we have, x negative 10 over 15. My 15 looks like 16. That's correct. Because of my pen, I couldn't find proper pen for this board, unfortunately, right now. Here, 2. Again, which number distance to the origin 2? We have two options. Here, x negative 10 over 15 is 2, or x negative 10 over 15 is negative 2. So, first one, x negative 10 is 30, x is 40. Got it? 40. Then here, x negative 10, negative 30. If I move negative 10, x is negative 20. So we found two different solutions for this equation. Got it? Okay. Have a look. We are here a little different. Maybe we need to change variable, then we are going to convert this equation into the quadratic equation, right? Here, remember last year. If I choose absolute value x negative 1a, what we have here, 5a squared negative 7a negative 6. We need to satisfy 3 different conditions to factorize this equation, right? That's 5a, negative 2. I think I'm doing right. Did you get it? 5a squared done. Negative 6 done. Sum of the cross product done. So 5a, oh my god, my phone. That's not looks like that. Okay, 5a plus 3 times, we need to be careful here students, we need to write in this form. Did you remember? We did several times last year. I hope my students did. Okay, anyway, here 5a plus 3 is 0, 5a negative 3, a is negative 3 over 5. One more, here a negative 2 is 0, a is 2. Got it? Here. What was the a we created? We need to come back, right? Here, a was x negative 1, negative 3 over 5, and x absolute value negative 1. This can't be equal. What we said at the beginning of the lesson, absolute value can't be equal negative number. So, you can't find any solution from here. Which number distance to the origin? 2. We have two options, 2 or x negative 1 is negative 2. Space is a little not enough. Here, I'm carrying here, x is 3, right? Here, x is negative 1, negative 2. This is negative 2 is 1. Got it? I hope. It's not hard. You like it. I said you will love PureMath 2, 3. I hope I will be right for you. Okay, another type, second type. There are more than one modulus here, which has x term in it, right? There is not constant number in an equation like this. Okay, dear students, again we will use same approach. This is positive number, like a. How many possible we have inside? Positive a, negative a. I mean like this, 2x plus 3x, you will solve this one, or 2x plus 3 is negative. Same approach you will use. Okay, same approach. Okay, if we solve first one here, move x right hand side, 2x negative x, 3 right hand side, negative 3, x is negative 3. Got it? Here, move negative, this is negative x, left hand side becomes 3x. Here, 3, right hand side, negative 3. If we divide both sides by 3, x is negative 1. Got it? Okay, it's not hard. How do you feel? One more. Okay. I'm going to switch, guys. I don't like in this form. If you use this form, it's not wrong, but I prefer like this. Okay? Here. Again, I'm using roll. I like this method because it's helped me to solve the question. 3x, negative 5, this is 5. Looks like 6, however 5. Here, negative 2x, right? Here. I'm moving 2x left hand side becomes x. Here 5, got it? Here when I move 5x, positive 5, if we divide both sides by 5, x is 1. Got it? Are you pausing it? You should. Okay, look at this. 2x negative 4. I can write this. Okay, again two different options. 2x negative 4, 3x negative 1. Okay, another option is 2x negative 5, negative 3x negative 1. Got it, dear students? You can solve this equation. It should be so easy for you. You became 12th grade. 2x negative 5, 3x negative 3. Here I'm moving this, negative 2x. Got it? 2x negative 5, negative 3x, positive 3. Here 5x. 8. If we divide both sides by 5x is 8 over 5. Got it? I think we came end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Take care of yourself. See you next lesson.